When selling your home, it's important to upload high-quality images that really show it off to potential buyers. When a majority of buyers are shopping for houses online, high-resolution images and video tours are a must. Here is how to make your home look great on camera. First, understand that cameras magnify clutter and poor furniture arrangements. So be sure to arrange the rooms in a way that is appealing on cameras. This way requires removing or rearranging some furniture. While it's important to get rid of clutter, try to have 3 items of varying heights on each surface to be aesthetically pleasing. Another tip we have is to snap photos with your own camera to give you an idea of how it looks before the pro arrives. This way you can make necessary adjustments beforehand. We also suggest accessorizing your home by adding a healthy plant in every room, as the camera loves the greenery. You can also add decorative pillows or an afghan over the couch. This will energize your space and make it look more appealing. When your home looks great on camera, you are more likely to attract buyers who are interested in purchasing your home. If you have any question about the home selling process, please call, text, or email us, and we will be happy to assist you with your inquiries.